The article feature supports all functions in Echo that require text configuration, such as start message, auto reply, channel post, and group post. We will walk you through the setup process using start message as an example. Once you reach the step for configuring message content, click the text button. The bot will prompt you to send your desired text content. Simply click the paperclip icon beside your input box and select Article to launch the rich message editor. The editor comes with built-in text styling tools for headings, quotes, bold text, and so on. You can also insert lists, tables, and media. These handy tools let you build well-structured, long-form material. When you finish editing, click the Send button in the bottom right corner and your text configuration is done. Next, continue setting up the remaining settings. For specific steps, please refer to our previous tutorials. I'll post the video links in the comments section. Please note, if you've already configured an article in the text section, the settings you configure in the media section will automatically be merged into the article. Now, let's check out the real-world performance. Every time a user activates the bot, it will automatically deliver your preset start message with the article you just configured as its text content. Thanks to the versatile formatting options, users can read lengthy introductory material far more comfortably.